Hey there, friends. I have an unbelievable story to share with you all about a squirrel at my bird feeder. Trust me, you're not going to believe your eyes when you see this. So, a couple of days ago, I decided to set up a bird feeder in my backyard to attract some feathered friends. But little did I know that this would turn into quite the ordeal. As soon as I hung the feeder up, a squirrel appeared out of nowhere and started causing mayhem. Now, this squirrel is no ordinary one. He's got some serious skills and is determined to get his hands on those tasty seeds. He even managed to pull down the entire bird feeder. Yes, you heard that right, the entire thing came crashing down. And to top it all off, he doesn't seem to be able to figure out how to get the seeds out. It's definitely one of the funniest things I've ever witnessed in my backyard. I decided to make a new bird feeder, and this time it is on the top of a pole. The squirrel attempted multiple times, but failed. So there you have it, folks, a squirrel attack at my bird feeder. I hope you enjoyed this tale of nature gone wild as much as I did. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hilarious and unexpected adventures from my backyard. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay wild!